All right, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Jamie.
My name is Ravi.
Nice to meet you, Ravi.
Same here.
So what's going on today?
We're just coming from a nice bungee and now we're doing the skydiving.
Holy,
Pretty excited.
what a day.
Yeah.
All right,
And now we're flying to Adelaide. We'll watch the World Cup.
sweet.
So yeah.
So how high are we going today?
1500.
15,000?
15,000 feet.
Top floor.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So this is your first jump?
Yeah.
First time?
Yeah.
Is there any, where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. Is there anything you want to say to your friends and family back in India before you get in the airplane?
Wish me luck. Hope I'll be back soon.
All right, don't forget to smile. We'll see you out there.
Yeah. Bye.
Woo. There you go. Whoa! Congratulations. Do it now. Show me now. Hold on. Ready? Get together for a photo, guys. Here we go. Ready? Sweet. All right, bud. Nice work. All right. Over there. Nice job.